Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am in my car and I have these are some interior car lights. So we're gonna give these things a look-see and see how they will perform and stuff. And they can connect it to a phone and all, but I'm not gonna be able to do that due to the fact that I am using my phone to film this. But I will connect it up for myself afterwards. So we have some instructions here and we have some twist ties. It looks like it comes with about 8 twist ties. We have some screws in here. We have some double-sided tape and some Velcro tape and a fuse. And these are the lights here. So let's see how these look. So we have a remote control. And here we are. We have the 4 of the lights. Boy, they're all twisted and up right now. Okay, there we go. And they are in 2 and 2, so I can have maybe 2 go to the front and 2 go to the back and kind of light up under the seats there. So let's plug these in and see how bright they are. And it looks like we have the option to change the colors and things from the button or from the remote. But one way to try these, and let's plug it in and see. I got a lot of stuff in my little center console here. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So okay. Let me untwist this thing here. I must be on sound mode. It keeps flashing. That's what it is. Watch. When I talk, it flashes. So that is interesting. Okay. So let's see. Where's that little remote here? So let me close this up right now. There was a little button on the cigarette lighter thing too that did some stuff, but here I can do color. So now it's, I guess, red, green, blue, white, and then we have the different music mode. Oh, so then it'll go along with the music, bibbity bop. And then we have a different mode here, which I guess is on. Oh, it's just rotating colors, and different way of rotating colors, and oh, kind of on off. And on off with green and on off with blue. Okay, so we got a bunch of different modes there. And then here's, let's see what the remote does here. I'll take off the little battery connector and hopefully the battery will work. Yes, so, okay. So I just pushed off and on and blue and green and red and 100% light or 25% light. I can do slow or quick. Different things. Oh, fade. Oh, fade. I guess that fades the lights. I guess this is fading between the colors. It's hard. I'm colorblind, so that's why I'm not great at this. And then I can do flash. Not sure why I want flash in my car. I think that would be really annoying. Maybe when I'm parked. But how cool is that? So I can hook all these up under my dashboard and stuff and get myself some cool lights. So I'll be setting this up in here, and it's really cool. I like it. So I don't want to do it while you guys are on here, but it looked cool, and it comes with the double-sided tape. It looks like it's that VHB tape, so I can just tape it up in there, and it should stay. So it's really nice. So I'm not exactly sure exactly where I'll put it yet, but I'll figure it out. And I like it. It comes with nice that it has the 4 strips, so I can do front and back. So definitely nice. Thumbs up from me.